How to change work hours in Microsoft Teams. Hello everyone, this is Lucy and let's get started. So, if you want your profile to have your work hours status here, then you need to follow these steps. Go to Outlook, and now you just need to go to Calendar. Here, if you click on View, you'll find Calendar settings. Click on there. A new dialog box will appear. You need to click on Work Hours and Location. Here you will find your work hours and location. You can change it however you want it, and you can also change your location here. You can change your work days, and that's it. After you're done editing your work hours and location, just click on save and you're done. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.